Well, hello everyone. Just want to talk about my mini Maxx for a minute. We got these skid plates off eBay. They're 3D printed. I say we got these. My father bought this for me for this car and one for his. And well, he broke his. I've yet to torsion mine. We re-glued it, but then broke again at a later point. So my only assumption is that there's some flex going into them, but so obviously it's breaking, but also 3D printed plastic. I can't really say it's structurally the best piece, but hot racing, I found, makes this, I call it a skid plate, but they call it a lower chassis cover plate. Does the same thing as this one, but obviously doesn't break. Reuses longer screws, same holes, covers up, levels it out a little bit, gives a little more structural, but thought I'd just point that out if anybody didn't know they exist, since, well, they don't use a normal name like a skid plate. Got my wing on there, haven't torn it off, screwed through to the body mount kit. Light kit is pretty cool, and I reused the bump rails that came with their roof rails and used them as a nose one so it wouldn't destroy it. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of the hot racing lower chassis cover, and let me know what you think of my mini Maxx. And oh yeah, I got the VXL 3S in it, and I haven't blown up any gears yet. So let me know if you guys have done that. Have a good day.